Managing projects efficiently can be the difference between success and chaos. Luckily, there are some amazing tools out there to help you stay organized, collaborate seamlessly, and hit your deadlines. Today, we're looking at the top 6 best software for project management. Let's get started. First on our list is Trello. Trello is a favorite for its simple and visual approach to project management. Using boards, lists, and cards, it makes task tracking easy and even fun. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and use handy integrations with tools like Slack or Google Drive. Next up is Asana, a robust tool that's perfect for medium to large teams. Asana shines with its ability to break down complex projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Features like task dependencies and customizable workflows make it ideal for tracking long-term projects. Moving on to Monday.com CRM. This tool is a project manager's dream because it's super customizable. Whether you prefer Kanban boards, timelines, or Gantt charts, Monday.com adapts to your workflow. If you need a single tool to do it all, ClickUp might be your answer. It's one of the most versatile project management tools out there, offering features like task management, docs, goals, and even time tracking. At number 5, Jira. For teams working on software development, Jira is the gold standard. Designed with Agile and Scrum teams in mind, Jira offers powerful tools for issue tracking and sprint planning. Developers love its deep integrations with platforms like GitHub and Bitbucket. So there you have it, the top 6 best software for project management. Whether you're managing a team of 2 or 200, there's a tool on this list that's perfect for you. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you next time.